Just a year ago, I was spending over $70 a month just to create voiceovers and AI-generated explainer videos for my clients. It was frustrating. Switching between tools, paying for exports, hitting limits. Then, I stumbled across something that changed everything. A project that was quietly released with zero marketing. Grok AI. Grok AI is not just another AI tool. It's an open-source initiative backed by a small but brilliant team of developers. Think of it as a hybrid of 11 Labs, Descript, and Pictory, except completely free. It uses high-quality voice synthesis, deep learning video rendering, and even lets you export HD videos without watermarks or limits. Let's take a look. First, voiceover generation. Just type your script and choose a voice, male, female, accents, or even emotions, all free. Next, video creation. Upload media or use Grok's built-in AI library. Add subtitles, background music, and export. Done in minutes. Compared to Synthesia, which charges $30/month, or Descript at $15/month, Grok AI offers nearly identical, sometimes better, results. And for beginners or creators just starting out, that price point of $0 is a game changer. Whether you're a YouTube automation creator, digital marketer, educator, or even a small business, Grok AI can become your entire content pipeline. From writing scripts, generating voice, to rendering full videos. No team, no budget, just you and a powerful AI. Getting started is simple. Head to grokai.tech, sign up with your email and start creating. No credit card, no upsells, just AI working for you. This is your opportunity to break free from overpriced tools and unlock your creativity without limits. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Byte-Wired, and share it with someone tired of paying for AI. The AI revolution just became accessible to